Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my February makeup favorites. I have loved a lot of makeup this month, so this might be a long video, so sit back and get ready to see the products I like. Let's start with ABH, because you guys know I'm a killer for ABH. The Sunset and Daytime palettes from ABH, I absolutely love these. The quality is amazing. The pigmentation, everything is amazing. I am in love with these and I'm so glad I picked these up. I just wish this wasn't exclusive to their website because customs was expensive, but so worth it for these. Sticking within the eyeshadow palette realm, we have the It's My Pleasure palette by Colourpop. This is such a pretty palette. Colourpop actually reposted my product shot of this, which was pretty freaking cool, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it's just such a pretty palette and it's purple. You guys know I love purple. I feel like every month I'm going to mention these, but the Huda Beauty melted shadows are everything. I'm wearing the chartreuse one on my eyes today. I used just this, no other shadow on my lid, and I love them. It's so fast and easy. They blend out super easy. I actually have all the shades now, which is great, and I bought them all with my own money. So y'all know that that was expensive, but this is, I think, like my favorite eyeshadow product so far of 2019. These shades are so pretty, and I truly hope that she comes out with like a rainbow variety of shades. You guys know that I love the Colourpop mascara, so of course I had to mention that. I actually have a new favorite combo for mascara. I use my Ride or Die Milk Makeup Mascara first, and then I go in with the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara, and that duo is perfect for my lashes. I absolutely adore using these together, and the Colourpop mascara has tons of different shades, so if you want to have more fun, they got purple, blue, they got all that shiznit. Another favorite for this month is actually nail polish related, because I finally started growing out my nails. And yeah, I've been applying nail polish non-stop. Essence has these beautiful nail polishes. They're $3.99 Canadian at any like superstore or anything like that. And they are so pretty. My favorite shade is the purple like duochrome and the like rose gold sparkly one. I've also been into Nails Inc nail polish. They are a bit more on the expensive side. You can buy them at Sephora, but they're beautiful and they last like a week. It's really awesome. Next, I want to talk about lipsticks. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Colourpop Blur Luxe lipsticks. These are really pretty. They have a few pretty shades. I do hope they come out with more. Of course, I had to pick up the purple. This is a matte formula, but it's not super drying. These aren't the least drying though. They are a bit drying, but nothing too crazy, and I definitely think the pigmentation and everything is great, and it doesn't make your lips look gross at all. Next, I want to talk about the Melt Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, because you guys know I love it. My favorite shade is Bellastona, which you'll probably see me wear it like all the time because I am obsessed with this shade. I bought it back up when they were on sale because I had to. This is honestly my favorite shade ever, and the formula for Melt is amazing, and the applicator is the best applicator that I've ever seen before in my life. I think that that is everything for my February makeup favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. The Daytime and Sunshine palette. Whoa, that was not right.